in der Halal Expo Europe 2018 in Europe. Liebe Schwestern und Brüder, liebe Gäste, liebe Zuschauer, wir haben jetzt wieder, mashallah, aus Malaysia eine Firma hier, die hier ihre Produkte vorstellt, und sie werden uns dann auf Englisch die Produkte vorstellen und die Spezialitäten und die Vorteile ihrer Produkte erzählen. Weiters ist es hier, mashallah, heute ganz voll, viele Besucher wieder aus aller Welt. Also vorhin haben wir gehabt ca. 150 Besucher aus Afrika, eine Delegation. Und Malaysia ist hier mit ihren Produkten stark vertreten. Jafila International macht das Marketing, alhamdulillah, auch für diese Schwestern und Brüder aus Malaysia. Ich bitte jetzt die Gäste, zu mir zu kommen, dass sie sich ihren Platz nehmen, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Halal Europe Expo 2018 in Utrecht. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
MashaAllah. What's your name, sister?
I'm Joyce. Yeah, that's the general manager for the TSL Bestmas.
MashaAllah. And I see here you have some kinds of food. Is this the products from Malaysia?
Yeah, our factory is manufacturing halal products since 2004. Okay, the main product that is produced will be dim sum on top of the part of the banners, and the other one is so-called is bak pao. Okay, then we have 125 SKU in our halal list. Okay, you can choose whatever flavor that you want. Okay, including like chicken flavor or beef, or even is sweet content.
Okay. Can you show me? Do you have it here? The sweets? Show me and explain what is this and what are the ingredients.
Okay. Okay. Now, what I'm having in my hand will be red bean pao. Okay, we are using red bean as the fillings and mashed with a nano sugar. There is no calorie sugar, but can be presenting sweets. Okay, to as the fillings. Then our pao is size. We have several sizes, from 10 grams to 80 grams sizes. So for this, we have two packaging. One packaging, we are doing a family packaging where we contain 12 pieces in one packing. Okay, beside that, we also provide you the convenient packaging that I show in my hand. Okay, this, then we just straightly take out from the freezer, then you can go in for the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, this is the convenient packings we want to show here.
And the other one?
This is the special products that we bring over to Europe. Okay, basically this is a Chinese cuisine. Okay, so-called is small bites for the imperial food. Okay, that means served for the kings in China. But we operate this business within 15 years for halal. The main ingredient we are using is chicken, meat. Okay, then combined with fish surimi and shrimp. We combine together and wrap up with the wonton skin. Okay, then our company didn't use any synthetic color. We are using natural extraction. Yellow for the turmeric extraction, and then green we are using chlorophyll. Okay, beside that we didn't add in any MSG. Okay, we are using sea salt and peppers. Okay, for the taste, so that you can taste the natural taste from the meat.
Mashallah, what's the difference? You know, there is all around the world running sushi, they have rice with fish and other things. What is the difference from your product to these products? Can you ask me? What is the difference of halal and not? Because the most of the people, they don't know. He thinks is eating rice with fish, and what are the ingredients? They don't know it.
Basically, okay, sushi is a traditional food from Japan. Okay, mainly they're using rice at the bottom, and then as a topping, they will put in maybe it's a seafood salmons, or maybe tomato, maybe it's cucumbers, okay, to combine as a food. But ours one is a small bite, does not contain any rice, but we only use halal ingredients because in our factory any single ingredients that we're using must be get passed from the halal JAKIM Malaysia. So all the single ingredients including from salt, from flour, then from chickens, everything, we can provide you the halal certificates, even though the packaging that we're using, the detergent using to clean up the machines and the flooring and the factory, all in halal.
Thanks to you. Nice to meet you here in the Halal Expo Europe 2018. We are Jafila International, and when you want to get a contact with our friends here, you can find it in Jafila International, and I will help you inshallah. How do you like this expo fair here in Utrecht? Do you like it here? Tell me something about them. What you see? What is your...
Okay, I'm very happy. This is my second year to come over the Halal Expo in Europe. First year I've been placed in Eindhoven. Okay, second year I'm coming to Utrecht. Okay, I'm very exciting. Okay, when people come to our booth. Okay, some of them they know these products. Okay, they like bak bao so much, but they cannot find even in halal. So the second thing is they feel very interesting about the dim sum because they some of them not even know what is dim sum. After that taste, they will praise our product is good, then it's natural, and hope we can get more distributors here, and hopefully we can see our product soonly in Holland. So this is, I feel very happy this year.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy it. Thanks for all. Assalamu alaikum.